Welcome back everyone to the Beauty Zone. I'm Felicia. Today's tutorial course, as you can see, was on these lovely faux locks Bohemian style. Now there are a lot of different terminologies that are used for this. I've heard goddess braids, I've heard the terms faux lock goddess braids, faux lock curly, Bohemian, whatever you want to call it. It's the marriage between a faux lock and a curly crochet braid. So the two choices that I chose, of course, were the Bobbi Boss faux locks, and these are in 18 inches. Again, I'm sorry, everything's going to be kind of reflected backwards because I'm using my front-facing camera. But I love these, and the reason why I like this particular faux lock is because of the fact that it has kind of a wavy crimp style to it, and then of course it's tapered at the bottom. As I understand, as this gets older, they're going to expand and get a little more puffier, which I like. I used 3.5 packs of these, and I did purchase these from Amazon. And again, if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it within 2 days. And I love that because Bobbi Boss can be kind of hard to find in some BSSs. So I didn't have to drive around all over town trying to find these faux lock styles. So I think for 4 packs, it was around $31. I'll put the information in the info box in the bottom. So please be sure to open that and read all of the details about the products I use to create this style. For my curly look, I actually use the Deep Twist by Free Tress Equal, and that's a 22 inch. So my faux locks are a little bit shorter than the Deep Twist, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. I've also seen this style using Go-Go Curl and some other wavy textures or curly textures. So it's up to you. I saw a picture, and so I was trying to recreate the picture, and that's why I chose the Deep Twist. And again, 22 inches of color 1B for both of those. And I love it. I used, let me think, I bought 4 packs of the Deep Twist, but I used like 1.5 packs, and as you can see, I still have some left over. So very lightweight. The hair is very lightweight. I love the fact that it's full, and you can pull it up and you could do a lot of different styles. You know, you could do an updo if you wanted to, like a high ponytail. I've worn it a couple of days with the sides pulled back like this. However you want to rock the style, for whatever the occasion you are in for the day. At night, I don't sleep with my crochet braids out like this because they will tangle, they will get matted, and you'll be looking like a hot mess. So at night, I'll put on this very, very huge satin bonnet, and it's great because on the inside it's like a satin material. This thing is huge though. When you put it on, you look like a hot mess. But when you take it off in the morning, your hair looks really lush. Because, you know, again, this is synthetic hair. So your hair looks very lush. It's not tangled. It's not matted. I don't put my hair in a ponytail or anything like that. I just put this on. I'll see if I can find the packaging for this, and I'll post that information below as well. But this is what I utilize or apply at night to keep my hair intact. There are a couple of products that I do use to keep my faux locks and my deep twist crochet hair looking its best, and that's a cream lotion. And so whichever works best for you, please use it. But I use the Pantene Truly Relaxed, or sometimes I'll use the Carol's Daughter hair milk. What I find is that this hair, especially the deep twist, if you don't apply some kind of moisturizer on it, it just looks very dry and dull. So maybe every couple of days, and I'll do this at night, I'll apply the hair lotion, and then I will put my bonnet on. At that time too, I'll go through, separate, make sure there are no knots. If I need to trim or cut any hair, I'll do that at that time. For my edges, got to be glued with my little, you know, hair brush. And that's about it. I love the style. I've gotten tons and tons of compliments. I have to bobby pin some of these strands because they just get on my nerves when they just fall in your face all the time. I can't work like this with hair just in my face. Yeah, other than that, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to keep this style in probably for about a month because I don't want to do anything as it relates to hair at this point. I just want to be free, don't have to think about hair, don't have to think about applying any wigs or anything. I just want to just wear it and go. So thank you guys so much for joining me here at the Beauty Zone. Please forgive me if I'm looking here, then I'm looking here, then I'm looking here, then I'm looking here. I'm using my camera on my phone, and sometimes I get a little confused, you know, because you're like, okay, should I be looking here? Should I be looking here? No, Felicia, you should be looking right there at that little dot. So anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm going to have videos, new videos up every single Wednesday. So please subscribe and click on that little bell so that you will be notified when a new video from me is uploaded. Love you guys.